Hi, I'm Sid Sahrawat here at the French Café with Woop. Thai cuisine is one of my favorites, so what we're cooking today is a beef sirloin with Thai red curry sauce, carrot salad. Let's do this. For this, we're gonna make a zucchini and carrot salad first. So I'm gonna just take the zucchini. It's really nice and fresh, this salad. It's got the beauty of the vegetables, but a lot of different textures in there as well. So that's the zucchini done. Now I'm gonna do the carrot. So first thing is you peel the carrot. I just go a little bit on an angle sometimes, so you just get them as wide as possible. A little bit of spring onion, just so you get nice long spring onion slices. Just got a little bit of mint and coriander I'm just gonna pick through. So that's what makes the Thai flavors really nice and strong, fresh, clean. It's gonna be with this beautiful nook cham, kind of like a chili lime dressing. Gives that sirloin a bit of kick when you eat it with the rice and the red curry. I'm just going to brush a little bit of oil of the sirloin. Generous amount of salt again. So that fat renders down and tastes delicious later. Just keep sealing the steak nicely on both sides. We're going to go for like a medium rare. So it's about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Give it a couple of minutes in the oven. In the meantime, we'll get the sauce ready. This delicious Thai red curry. Don't need to do much at all. It's all the work's been done for you. So let it rest. About half the time I cook it. In the meantime, we're going to heat our red curry here. Delicious. So I'm going to take that zucchini, the carrot ribbons, just rip it a little bit so with every mouthful you get a bit of mint and coriander together. I usually try and dress it a little bit on the outside and then add these sesame seeds, cashews and coconut. See how beautiful that looks now. It smells amazing. Now I'm going to take this amazing sirloin and just carve it. So now I'm plating a bit of the rice. Beautiful, look at that color. Make sure all the ratios and ingredients are mixed well. Make sure you get enough of the cashews and the sesame seed and the coconut together. So all done, beef sirloin with Thai red curry, carrot and cashew salad. Please enjoy.